A day in the life of an M1070 Oshkosh carrying logs in the Congo Rainforest. The beast in the jungle, deep in the heart of the Congo Rainforest, where muddy roads swallow lesser vehicles whole, and the terrain challenges even the most robust transport machines, one behemoth stands unshaken. The M1070 Oshkosh Heavy Equipment Transporter, HET. Originally designed for military logistics, this 8x8 tractor has found an unexpected but vital role in the logging industry, hauling massive timber loads through some of the world's most treacherous environments. With its 18.1L Caterpillar C18 engine churning out 700 horsepower and a monstrous 2,750 Newton-meters of torque, the M1070 is a mechanical powerhouse. Its full-time all-wheel drive, differential lock system, and Michelin XZL 16.00R20 tires make it one of the few vehicles capable of surviving the unforgiving jungle trails. But even with all its strength, operating this titan in the rainforest is an extreme test of skill, patience, and raw machine power. Before setting off, the driver must check important items including the pneumatic brake system, tire pressure, air suspension, 5-speed Allison automatic transmission, and especially the 27-ton hydraulic winch, an important support tool when having to overcome muddy roads. The journey to the logging site. As the M1070 rumbles forward, the road quickly transitions from compacted red dirt to a chaotic mess of deep mud pits and slippery slopes. Just one rainfall turns the trails into a driver's worst nightmare, with water-filled ruts exceeding 1 meter in depth. Navigating the mud, with a full differential lock engaged, the M1070 distributes power evenly across all axles, preventing individual wheels from losing traction. Despite this, there are moments when the jungle swallows even the strongest tires. The Michelin XZL tires, designed with aggressive self-cleaning treads, attempt to grip onto the loose surface, but some sections require low-gear torque application, reducing speed to 10 to 15 kilometers per hour to maximize traction. In areas where the mud turns to an inescapable slurry, the support team deploys an excavator or a second M1070 winch to create a firmer path or pull the vehicle through. These moments are not just frustrating delays. They are intense, high-adrenaline problem-solving sessions where quick decisions mean the difference between progress and a night stranded in the rainforest. arriving at the logging site. After nearly 3 hours of battling the jungle, the M1070 finally reaches the logging zone, where massive felled trees, some over 60 meters long and weighing several tons, await transportation. Here, the challenge shifts from endurance driving to load stabilization. A 110-ton hydraulic crane is responsible for hoisting these logs onto the Oshkosh trailer. Each piece must be carefully placed to maintain a balanced center of gravity, preventing load shifts that could lead to rollovers during transit. Logs are stacked to distribute weight evenly, ensuring the truck remains stable even on steep inclines. Steel chains and heavy-duty wooden chocks are used to prevent movement, especially crucial when tackling jungle slopes exceeding 20 degrees. The M1070 itself weighs approximately 20 tons, and after being loaded with nearly 10 to 20 tons of timber, it now becomes a 40-ton monster, primed for the return journey. With everything secured, the M1070 is now a rolling fortress of industrial power. But the hardest part is still ahead, getting back out of the jungle with a fully loaded rig. The return journey. A true test of machine and man. With the additional weight, traction becomes an even greater challenge. The once manageable mud pits now pose an even bigger threat, with every wheel struggling to grip the terrain.
Ja. Ja, hoor, dat is dat.
Climbing steep slopes with a fully loaded rig. The unforgiving terrain strikes back. At one particularly deep mud crossing, the M1070 begins to slide laterally, a heart-stopping moment where even the best driver can do nothing but fight for control. The wheels dig deep, the chassis groans under pressure, and after multiple attempts to power through, the decision is made to halt progress. A support excavator moves in, reshaping the path, allowing for a more controlled crossing. Slopes as steep as 20 degrees demand strategic use of the low-range gear system, allowing the M1070 to generate the necessary torque without losing traction. However, some inclines become impassable without external assistance, requiring winches or even a second M1070 to tow from behind. On particularly treacherous descents, the Jake brake and air brakes work in tandem to prevent uncontrollable acceleration, maintaining speeds below 5 kilometers per hour. Even a slight miscalculation here could send the truck sliding sideways into the jungle. Arrival at the staging area. After another grueling stretch of driving, the M1070 finally reaches the staging area, where cranes unload the timber for processing. The logs are checked for quality before being transported to their next destination, often an export port where they will be shipped worldwide for construction, furniture, or other industrial uses. The driver, exhausted but victorious, parks the M1070, knowing that tomorrow the cycle will begin again. Conclusion. The M1070's indomitable legacy. Despite its origins in military logistics, the M1070 Oshkosh has proven to be one of the most valuable heavy transport machines in the logging industry, capable of handling the harshest terrains with unparalleled durability and reliability. For those watching this journey on YouTube, this is more than just a day in the life of a truck. It's an inside look at the realities of extreme heavy transport. The combination of mechanical prowess, driver expertise, and sheer determination makes the M1070 a legend in the world of logging. Like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories of industrial giants conquering the toughest environments on Earth.